You asked, how to divide 6859 by 24 using the long division method. 6 is too small. Use 68. 68 divided by 24 equals 2. 2 times 24 equals 48. 68 minus 48 equals 20. Bring down 5, making 205. 205 divided by 24 equals 8. 8 times 24 equals 192. 205 minus 192 equals 13. Bring down 9, making 139. 139 divided by 24 equals 5. 5 times 24 equals 120. 139 minus 120 equals 19. The remainder is 19. The final result is 285, remainder 19.